The Countryside Alliance is apolitical, meaning we don't support any particular party or candidates. We will shortly be bringing out our own general election manifesto and bringing this to the attention of all candidates standing in this campaign. It's summarised in 5 key rural policies: to make Brexit work for the countryside, to buy British and support our farmers, to repeal the Hunting Act and recognise the value of hunting, fishing and shooting for conservation, to connect the countryside by delivering first-class connectivity, and to tackle rural crime. You can help by contacting your candidates and asking them where they stand on the rural issues that matter to you, and asking them to support these 5 key policies. If you need any help with this, get in contact with us.